Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of February. And first of all, national news. We'll try again tomorrow. Farmers marching to Delhi declared ceasefire. Samajwadi Party declared names of candidates for Rajya Sabha seats in UP. Air Force trainer aircraft crashed in West Bengal. Pilots ejected safely. Resolve issue amicably. Punjab and Haryana High Court on farmer protest. Farmers march. People crossed Delhi Haryana border on foot as cops stopped vehicles. US has great military to military relationship with India. Pentagon. Ex-Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi honored with Assam's highest civilian award. Farmer body never nominated MSP panel members. Centre amid protest. And now international news. Apple Microsoft won exemptions for iMessage Bing from EU tech rules. Burj Khalifa lighted up with guest of honor, Republic of India. Bilawal Bhutto wants his father Asif Ali Zardari's return as Pak's president. Celebration of culture, UK MP attended. Ahlan Modi event in Abu Dhabi. Israel rejected Hamas terms for a truce last week. US Senate passed Ukraine aid bill, House likely to reject it. Bilawal Bhutto withdrew from Pakistan PM race to support Nawaz Sharif's party. Reflection of your love for India, PM thanked UAE President for Bab's temple. Denmark resigned supreme as cleanest country in world in EPI ranking. PM Narendra Modi is on an official visit to the United Arab Emirates today and tomorrow. And now sports news. Ferrari unveiled their new SF24 car on Tuesday ahead of the upcoming season. World Wrestling Body lifted suspension on India, asked WFI not to discriminate against protesting wrestlers. Bangladesh recalled Mahmudullah Taijul Islam for Sri Lanka T20 internationals. Ben Stokes marked 100 Test with India's series on a knife edge. Now news related to business. US consumer prices rose more than expected in January. Sensex Nifty closed higher. Reliance and ICICI Bank among top gainers. Lower borrowings to boost growth, ease inflation, RBI Governor Shakti Kant Das. Gurugram, Greater Noida witnessed highest year-on-year house rent surge, a report said. At 5.1% in January, retail inflation at 3-month low, factory output at 3.8% in December. Now news related to science. Creepy alien-like creatures with 200 legs discovered in jungles of Tanzania. Stone Age wall discovered off Germany may be Europe's oldest mega structure. And that's all in news. Thank you.